The Supreme Court, in the matter of Union of India through Narcotics Control Bureau versus Man Singh Verma, set aside the order of the High Court and partly allowed the appeal, holding that we accept the submission of Union of India that grant of compensation to tune of 5 lakh rupees was without authority of law. The present appeal arose from the impugned order dated 22nd May 2024 passed by High Court of Judicature at Allahabad Lucknow bench, wherein High Court directed Director of Narcotics Control Bureau to pay a sum of 5 lakh rupees as compensation to respondent for alleged wrongful confinement. In joint operation, NCB seized 1280 grams of brown powder, allegedly heroin, from the possession of Man Singh Verma, respondent, and Aman Singh. Accordingly, criminal case was registered against respondent under Section 8C 21 and 29 of Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 on 6 January 2023. Consequently, was remanded to judicial custody. The court said the issue is whether the contours of Section 439 CrPC permit grant of compensation by High Court to appellant. Supreme Court said that time and again the acts of courts overstepping bonds of jurisdiction have clearly been frowned upon. Instant case is another such example. Straightforward course of action that ought to have been adopted was that the bail application would have been dismissed as such. No occasion arose for court to pass an order delving into aspects of impermissibility of retesting or of wrongful confinement. Not only the same was outside of the bonds as discussed above, but it is erroneous on further count that since the application was infructuous, exercise of jurisdiction was entirely unjustified and contrary to law. Amicus curiae in his submissions has referred to the judgments of the court in Rudal Shah, D.K. Basu, and Neelavati Behra case. These judgments were rendered by the court under Article 332 jurisdiction, which is the remedy available to any person whose fundamental rights have been violated. So, whereas the court has indeed held permissibility of grant of compensation, it has done so in context of violation of fundamental rights. The undue restriction of liberty, that is, without the backing of procedures established by law, is unquestionably an affront to personal rights, but the avenues to seek recourse of law in connection therewith are limited to remedies as per law.